Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to share someone else's reel on Facebook. So if you want to share someone else's reel on Facebook, it's quick and easy. So first open Facebook, then click reel button at the bottom. Next, find the reel you want to share. You can scroll down. Next, tap the share button at the bottom right corner of the reel. So you'll see several sharing options to share it on your own Facebook profile. So first you can add a caption, then you can change the audience. You can change it to public, friends, only me, etc. Then click done and select share.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
Now. Next, you can also share the reel to your story. So at the bottom left corner, you can see your story. You can click on that and click share at the bottom right corner to share the reel. You can also send it to Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. So keep in mind that some reels may not have all sharing options available because of the creator's privacy or sharing settings. And that's it. Now you know how to share someone else's reel on Facebook. Thank you for watching.